Hello guys, welcome back. I know it's too much delay to upload a new video, but still, I hope you are doing well. Today's topic is data validation. Data validation. As per our training module, first we used to learn about theory, then the practical. Theory part, like for data validation, it is used to validate your data. Means like we can say those who are computer literate, they are fine, no worry about them. But those who are computer literacy is not there, for them data validation is very good. It's just like a drop down. One more thing about data validation, whatever you are putting into that data validation, it will pop up that only. Means there is a less chances to have an error in between. Three types of data validation is there. First, information. Second, warning. Third, is stop. By default, stop value will be there. We have to recognize, we have to know, we have to put the option. Which option do you require? It means if you want to stop the value, whatever you did it, whatever you put the data validation, instead of other value, if you want to stop, you can stop, but that is the by default function. If you want to accept any value, like other than the data validation list, you can show as a warning. Okay, this is a warning that which data you are putting it is not into the list, so you can give a warning. Third one, information. If you want to give the only information to from the drop down only, you have to select that, you can do it. Let's say let's do the practical hands-on experience on data validation. I'll take one list called name, Amol, Vilas, Balaji, Venkat Rao, Maya, Sony, Philip, Dilip. Let's say I have these students. I want to give a data validation for this name. So first I'll do it on C4, that is Charlie 4 cell reference. So alt, what is the shortcut for data validation? That is DL, D for Delta, L for Lima. DL, it's a data validation. First thing, that is your setting, then the input message, if you want to give any input message, and the error type. What is the error type? By default it will be a stop value. If you want to give something else, that is warning. And the last one, which is we recommend that not to use as a information, because it will accept all the values. First we'll take it as a stop value. Before than that, just go to setting, then list, then source. What is your source? Where is your source? This is my source. Then again back to normal. After that, error type. Let's say please follow the instruction. Please use the drop down value. Okay, done. Again, okay. Now see, this is a drop down. It arrived. Other cells it doesn't have, but in C4, Charlie 4 cell have the drop down. How to use without mouse? Alt down arrow. All the names is there. If I want to give something else, that is Excel, which is not available in this list, it will show an error. Please follow the instruction, which we did it into error alert. Please use the drop down value. If we did it retry also, it won't allow. Okay, so cancel. Then we'll do for the warning. Same thing, only the warning. Previously it was stop, so it was a cross with red mark. Now warning. Warning is within yellow. We'll keep the title and the error message same. Okay, so Excel. What it says, please follow the instruction. Again, please use the drop down value. Now the thing is that what is changed, that is continue, yes or no. It's asking you the question. If you say yes, it will accept. If you say no, it won't. Okay, so this time we'll do yes. It allows. It is not there, but it allows to enter the value in the cell. That is data validation in warning level. Now information on information level. Now the information sign came, that is in blue I. Same will keep the everything title and the messages. Error message will be the same. Now EXCEL Excel. So what it shows, that is information. Please follow the instruction. Please use the drop down value. If you put OK, it will accept. This is the three types. First one which supposed to use, that is warning. Sorry, stop value. Second one, warning. Third one, information. So these three types for the data validation list function. One more time, very fast, quickly. That is Alt DL. This is the shortcut for data validation. If you don't want a shortcut, then go to data, then the data validation. Here it will be a data validation. See, this is the data validation. Data validation, then stop, warning, information. Go to setting, allow only list. Where is your list? In a column. List, then source. Whatever you put it as a list, then okay. This is a stop value. Whatever the numeric, alphanumeric or text, whatever whatever you put it into as a list, as a source, it will allow to see the value, that only. Okay guys, one appeal to everyone, those who are watching my videos. Excel is a vast subject, so keep on trying. If you feel any difficulty, message me on my YouTube channel. I'll try to resolve it. One more thing, take best care of yourself. Till the next video. Thank you guys.